Klarstein Bornholm Single. Convection heater. Luxurious convection heater with 1000 watts of power, 2 heat settings, and child protection. Splash-proof IP24 curved front panel made of black safety glass with a LED display. Suitable as standing or wall-mounted device. Includes mounting material, pleasant warmth. 1000 watts power for mobile heating of living rooms, damp rooms, and winter gardens. Uniform heating, the room air is constantly circulating via convection. X-shaped heating element, for rapid heating. Splash-proof, protection class IP24 for the installation in a bathroom or a damp room. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Elegant. Klarstein Bornholm Single is an elegant convection heater for visual and thermal flooding of premises up to 269 square feet in size. Unlike other heaters, the device strives for a pleasant visual appearance. Number 2. A lot of power. The unit's 1000 watts of power is delivered to the room via a touch panel faucet with the aid of a large, blue backlit LCD. According to individual preferences and seasonal sensations of heat and cold. Number 3. Programmable. A thermostat always maintains the desired temperature to the exact degree. Eco mode reduces energy consumption to a minimum. Timing mode turns the convection heater on and off to the minute. Number 4. Child protection. A child lock blocks unauthorized access to the programs. A frost-free function prevents a room from cooling down completely. For example, during a vacation. Number 5. Transportable. The Bornholm heater is so beautiful that you want to take it with you everywhere. Therefore, smooth running rollers provide the necessary flexibility. Number 6. Convection heaters. Convection heaters use their heating element, the convector, to heat the air flowing through them. This rises in the room, push cool air down and lets it flow into the heater. The resulting air circulation warms the entire room. Number 7. Timer. Adjustable hourly up to 24 hours. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.